Hello there, welcome to the A-Level Maths Pure Paper 1 of June 2023. Here we're looking at question 5. A continuous curve has function y equals f of x. The table shows corresponding values of x and y for this curve where a and b are constants. The trapezium rule is used where the y values in the table to find an approximate area for the curve between x equals 3 and x equals 4. Given that the area is 17.59, show that a plus 2b is 51. Okay, so let's first of all remind ourselves of what the trapezium rule is. This is what we get in the formula booklet. So we're going to say that the area, which is the integral between a to b of y dx, is approximately equal to a half times h, and h in the trapezium rule is the width between the x values, so that would be 0.2 times y0 and yn. y0 is the first term and yn is the last term, so that would be a plus 13.5 plus 2, lots of all of these intermediate y values, so that's going to be 16.8, add b, add 20.2, add 18.7, add 13.5. Close brackets, and we're told that that answer is 17.59. Okay, so let's start to simplify what we've got here. So the front here is a half times 0.2, and the half times 0.2 is 0.1. So if I times by 10 onto the other side, that will get rid of these two values at the start. So I'm going to get 175.9 at the start, and that will leave me with a plus 13.5. add 2 lots of, let's add together the numbers that we've got inside this bracket here. So 16.8, add 20.2, add 18.7, I know the 13.5, we used the 13.5 already, beg my pardon, we don't need the 13.5 in the brackets there. So that's going to give me 55.7, so b add 55.7, and that's going to equal 175.9. So now let's expand the brackets. We're going to get a plus 2b add 55.7 times 2 add 13.5, which is 124.9 equals 175.9. And then when we do 175.9 take away answer, we get 51. Ah, perfect. There we are. So we then write as required. Okay, excellent. So that's the answer to part A sorted. Now let's move on to part B. Given also that the sum of the y values in the table is 97.2, find the value of a and b. Okay, well, let's create a second simultaneous equation then. So a plus 16.8, add b, add 20.2, add 18.7, add 13.5, equals 97.2. So if we now move all of the values that aren't a and b onto the other side, so it's on the calculator then, 97.2, take away 16.8, take away 20.2, take away 18.7, take away 13.5, we get 28. So now let's set up our two simultaneous equations. And let's solve them. So 51 take away 2 lots of 28. So b is minus 5. No, hold on. Let's just go to the mode on the calculator that solves simultaneous equations for us. A is 5, beg my pardon, not minus 5. A is 5 and b is 23. And there we are, that's the answer for this question 5 here, worth a total of 6 marks. Let's now move on to question 6.